Hi everyone, and welcome back to Lesson 11. These are 20 new vocabulary words. Today we are going to learn their definitions and some sentences to go with them. Get your vocabulary trainer and write along with me so you can practice more. Anymore. 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 Anymore is an adverb. Anymore means any longer. Kind of like no longer. The woman doesn't need big pants anymore. She had a great diet. Asleep. 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 Asleep is an adjective. When a person is asleep, they are not awake. The man fell asleep during the boring movie. But she laughed. Must be okay. Berry. 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 Berry is a noun. A berry is a small fruit that grows on some trees and plants. These berries look delicious and are all ready to eat. I love strawberries. Collect. 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 Collect is a verb. To collect things is to group them together in one place. The children all collect flowers for their moms. Compete. 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 Compete is a verb. To compete is to try to be better than someone else. The cars all compete in a race around the track. That's pretty cool. Conversation. 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 Conversation is a noun. A conversation is a talk between people. The couple has a conversation in the park. Creature. 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 Creature is a noun. A creature is any living thing. This slow-moving creature is a jellyfish. It's a pretty cool video, right? Decision. 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 Decision is a noun. A decision is a choice. She made a decision on which shirt to buy. Either. 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 Either is a conjunction. Either is used when there is a choice. Some people say either, but I don't like that. She has to buy either the red or white wine. See, it sounds better. Forest. 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 Forest is a noun. A forest is a place with a lot of trees and animals. The forest is a great place to experience nature. I love the forest. Ground. 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 Ground is a noun. The ground is the top part of the earth we walk on. The ground is covered in some plants and small stones. Introduce. 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 Introduce is a verb. To introduce someone is to say who they are. See that TRO? It sounds like tro. Intro. The man introduces him to his partner at the firm. Marry. 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 Marry is a verb. To marry is to become husband and wife. Aww. They got married in a small church with their family. Prepare. 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 Prepare is a verb. To prepare is to get ready for something. She is preparing to make dinner for everyone. I'm hungry. Sail. 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 Sail is a verb. To sail is to use the wind to move a boat on the water. This is a great day to sail our sailboat on the lake. Serious. 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 Serious is an adjective. When something is serious, it is bad or unsafe. The doctor told him that his condition was very serious. Uh-oh. Spend. 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 Spend is a verb. To spend is to use time to do something. I like to spend my free time fishing and relaxing. Doesn't that look like fun? Strange. 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 Strange is an adjective. When something is strange, it is not normal. The strange man walked in the park wearing a blanket. Truth. 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 Truth is a noun. The truth is a fact or something that is right. The man asked her questions to find out the truth. It's a lie detector test. Wake. 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 Wake is a verb. To wake is to not be sleeping anymore. The woman woke up when her alarm rang. See, woke is past tense. Okay, that was our lesson, and I hope you enjoyed it. Remember to write everything in your vocabulary trainer. Make your own sentences, and make sure to keep practicing. You're doing great.